Hi guys, so today we are back with two more belts. One is from Urban Forest, the other one is from Red Tape. Let's check them out. The box. Urban Forest has a yellow inside to it, yellow branding. This one is from Red Tape, the standard box. Now let's check them out. So this one we'll start with this one, Urban Forest. The belt color, I would say it's dark, really dark brown. It's not black, dark brown, and the buckle has a unique shape. It's black in color. You would see a slight marking. I think this is for the Urban Forest. That is the branding out here on the buckle, and has a nice feel to it, rugged and heavy. We go for the belt. Not really smooth, but does not have those visible textures, but has a slight porous feel to it. Not that smooth, but looks nice. We see the other side. Here we see that there is the branding for Urban Forest. This is where you have those 3 to 5 holes. I see the other side. This is more rough. Outside is more rough. I think this is what makes it only one-sided, not the double sides. And this has the stitching. That's the whole belt. Looks nice. Has a nice feel to it. That's Urban Forest view. Now we look at the Red Tape. This has black colors, broad belt, black in color, dark black. The buckle is also black, so it complements black with black. Not shiny, it's not reflective. I don't see this to be reflective, but a nice buckle. This is, I think, the protective thing. We just remove this. Looks nice. Has those edges, so this kind of gives it a slightly different contour and slightly different styling to the buckle. Looks nice from the outside as well. The other side, you have the Red Tape branding here. So this comes in the steel color, so you would see the Red Tape in black on the steel. So this looks nice. This gives a nice contrast to the black feel. We see, otherwise this is a broad, nice looking belt. Here you see the Red Tape branding. You see the 5 holes. On the other side, yes, it's rough. As the other one, this is, you see here, even there's a Red Tape, the whole branding and the name is inked out here. This will be, I guess, the coding for the belt. So nice, it's a nice classy looking belt. If you want to go for something in black and something which is more classy, this has a nice feel to it, and is a broad belt, single-sided, nice to feel, real good. Thank you.